Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The Hajj, a pillar of Islam. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك. The Hajj, a pillar of Islam. The Hajj or pilgrimage of Mecca is one of the pillars of Islam. The most important action in the life of a Muslim is Hajj. It is the worship of the lifetime. A Muslim who has the means to do it must make a pilgrimage to Mecca, at least one in the lifetime. The Hajj is unique to Islam. The Quran says, وَلِلَّهِ عَلَى النَّاسِ حِجُّ الْبَيْتِ مَنِ اسْتَطَاعَ إِلَيْهِ سَبِيلًا وَمَنْ كَفَرَ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ غَنِيٌّ عَلَى الْعَالَمِينَ. And it is the duty of all men Allah towards come to house if he is able to undertake it. As for those who denies, surely Allah stands in no need of anything in all the worlds. The certain warning, the first part of the noble ayah required that pilgrimage should be made into the scared house of Allah by those who are able to undertake the journey. While the second part of this ayah contains a warning, it several warns those who in spite of their ability and either do not undertake the journey or just do not believe in the obligation. After all, Allah is self-sufficient. He stands in no need of those who do not want to visit his scared house. It is perhaps concerning such people as this one of that the Prophet ﷺ is reported to have said, he who dies without having performed the Hajj, let him die a Jew or a Christian as he wish. The Arabic word Hajj. Hajj is an Arabic word. It literally means a travel towards Allah, as also an effort to serve. Sometimes the self in this case is difficult to give its fullest meaning in English. Because the word Hajj is a highly meaningful, it is however usually translated as a pilgrimage, although it is far from giving the exact shade of meaning of Hajj. The Hajj passes through all the seasons. Since the Muslim calendar is based on the movement of the moon, Hajj does not fall at the same time every year like Ramadan. It passes through all the season and it is fall in Zulhijjah, the 12th month of Muslim calendar. On whom it is obligatory. The performance of the Hajj is obligatory on every Muslim, both male and female. It has been adult free and physical fit and the sufficient money for the expenses of journey and for the support of his family back in his absence. This way to the Holy Land in Saudi Arabia must be safe from danger of war, conflict and inflation disease. Children have not come of age are exempt from the obligation of performing of Hajj. The acts and stage of Hajj. The acts and stage of Hajj are whole are following. The Ihram at Miqat. The first basic rite of the Hajj is the Ihram. Ihram means entering into the state of Hajj. The Ihram is entering into the certain place known as the Miqat. Miqat differs according to the countries the pilgrim come from. When the pilgrim reach one of the Miqat, he must put on a special dress called Ihram dress by taking off his suit clothes. There is no special dress for women. They should, however, keep their face unveiled. The dress for Ihram consists of two seamless sheets, generally of new white cotton, one covering the body from the waist and handlock, and the other thrown over the shoulder. This is because all of the rich and poor, black and white, ruled and the rulers must look alike because they are alike in the same sight of Allah. During the Hajj, the pilgrims are forbidden to use perfume or soap, to cut their hair and nails, or to have sexual relation. The Tawaf, circling the Kaaba. Sa'i, running between the two low hills called As-Safa and Al-Marwa. This is a memory of Hajar running in desire to search of water for her son Ismail alayhi salam. Allah is caused the holy Zamzam to gush forth nearby, which saved the two from the death through thirst. Stay at Mina on the 8th day of Zulhijjah. Waqf the held in Arafat on the 9th of Zulhijjah. The stay in Muzdalifah. Ramyal Jamir, stoning the pillars, 7 stone as plated as the 3 stone pillar in the memory of Ibrahim alayhi salam rejection of Shaitan. Yawm an-Nahar, the sacrifice is Mina, the shaving of one's head or hair clipping. The Tawaf al-Ifda, the final Tawaf. After this final Tawaf, pilgrims generally go on to visit Medina, the region where the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is buried. The few martyrs of Hajj. The Prophet is reported to have said, "He who makes a pilgrimage to the house, staying away from instant and immoral behavior, immigrate from his sins like a newborn baby." A blessed Hajj is better than this world and all its content. For a blessed Hajj, there is no reward but paradise. For the Hajj that is blessed, there is no reward but paradise. When he asked, "O Messenger of Allah, what makes a pilgrimage blessed?" He replied, "Speaking well and feeding the poor."